Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we will take care of the problem number 3 of the project Euler, which is largest prime factor. Let's read the problem. The prime factors of 13,195 are 5, 7, 13, and 29. What is the largest prime factor of this big number? So ultimately, this problem is about finding the prime factors of a big number in an optimized way. And at the end, we just need the maximum of those prime factors. So let's define a function. Factors of a given number. We need an array for the output. We will, as long as the number is even, we will divide it by 2 and add 2 to the list. So the number would be itself being divided by 2. Then when this while loop finishes, we will start a for loop starting from 3 going to the square root of the number, which this method, the square root function, returns a float. We need an integer for the range function. Also, the n index is exclusive, so let's add 1 to it. Also, let's make the step 2 so that we go only over the odd numbers. So as long as the number is divided by I, we will add I to the output and divide the number by I. When the for loop finishes, we still are missing something. If the number is above 2, we need to add it to the list as well, to the output. But at this point, the number is a float, so let's convert it to an int. And I believe that's it. So we need to return the output, and that's it. So we know that the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. Let's run this. Yes, 2, 2, and 3. So what we need is to have the prime factors of this big number from the puzzle and calculate the maximum of those values. So maximum of the prime factors of this big number would be 6,857. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good one.